Hi there, welcome to our channel. So it's been more than a year since Fossil announced their first Gen 5 smartwatches running Qualcomm Snapdragon 3100. Now a Fossil smartwatch bearing model number C1NF1 appeared on FCC, which suggests Fossil is gearing up for the launch of its next Wear OS based smartwatch, probably the Fossil Gen 6, or it could be a variant of Gen 5 with LTE. In any case, it would be the company's first smartwatch with LTE capabilities. No other major details about the alleged smartwatch are revealed by the FCC except for support for LTE 2, 4, 12, 13 bands. Then there's NFC, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The device is tested with an APP00310 battery, although the battery capacity is still unknown. Moreover, Fossil smartwatch with model number C1NF1, C1CF1, C1EF1, DW11F1 and DW11F2 are also spotted on Bluetooth SIG. So these were all the leaks. Now we have some rumors to share, according to which the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatches are expected to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 4100 SoC, which is designed to deliver 85% higher performance compared to the Snapdragon Wear 3100 platform found on the Gen 5. The smartwatch would run on the latest Wear OS and packed with LTE support, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC and Wi-Fi. It is also said that Fossil's Gen 6 smartwatch will have improved battery life. Now it would be interesting to see the battery details and battery standby time if it really comes with LTE support, as Fossil Gen 5 watches were limited to 20 hours standby with Bluetooth, GPS and NFC modules. If however this watch turns out to be Gen 5 model with LTE support, then don't expect a lot of improvements in the internals. You wouldn't get the speed and battery life improvements, but the price would be lower than Gen 6 model with Wear 4100 SoC. Anyways, LTE is no small upgrade. It will help you to be less reliant on your smartphone. With LTE, you could take calls, respond to text and listen to music. And while the mysterious device from Fossil is in the process of getting certified by the FCC, we are not sure when this new model will be released. But you could do one thing, subscribe to our channel for more new info. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.